Welcome back to our MATLAB series. In our previous video, we finally started to solve some questions, and today, we will continue and solve some more example questions. So without further ado, let's start. The first question for today is that there is a soda can which is at a temperature of 120 degrees Fahrenheit, which is left in a car. Then it is placed inside of a refrigerator whose temperature is maintained at 38 degrees Fahrenheit. We have to determine the nearest degree temperature of the soda can after 3 hours. According to our given equation, or formula, Ts is the constant temperature of refrigerator, which is 38 degrees Fahrenheit, T0 is the initial temperature of the soda can, which is 120 degrees Fahrenheit, K here is a constant equal to 0.45, while we have to find T, which is the temperature of soda can at given time of 3 hours. Let's enter all these values in MATLAB. Type semicolon with the provided values. Since we only want to display the answer and not these values, we have made a dedicated video on the use of semicolon, so be sure to watch it too. The percentage sign is used to add comments so that someone knows what we are talking about, and also they are not displayed in the results. Now, we will write the formula, which is T equals to Ts plus T0 minus Ts multiplied to exponential negative kt. The reason we have typed the formula in the end is because MATLAB's order of precedence is left to right or top to bottom. Now, we will run the program. The answer that comes is 59.2577, since it is in decimal, and in the question it was said that the temperature should be to nearest degree, so we will use the round command so that MATLAB rounds off our answer. Now, when we run it, our final answer is 59. Now, we will move on to our second question for today, which says that I have $1,000 saved in the bank with an interest rate of 9% compounded per year. What will my bank balance be after 1 year? To calculate the final bank balance after a year, we have to find the interest first. We will start by entering the amount, which is $1,000. Then we will type the rate, which is 9%, meaning 0.09. For calculating interest, the formula is amount multiplied to rate multiplied to the given time period. For finding the balance, we will simply add the current amount to the interest. Now, we will run the program to see the results. This brings us to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to practice all this with different values. You can even try all this on your phone, since MATLAB also have a mobile app. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care and stay tuned for more upcoming content.